Welcome back to the Toolman channel. We hope that we are all in good health. On this occasion, we will be doing a tutorial on cleaning vehicle injectors using the Leopard Fuel Injector Cleaning and Testing tool from Leopard. In many countries, motor vehicles, such as motorcycles and cars, play a very important role in daily life, as they provide faster mobility, ease of travel, increased productivity, a sense of security, and serve as a status symbol in society. One vital component of motor vehicles is the injector. This component functions like the heart in our body, pumping fuel into the combustion chamber, which ultimately produces power that can move people or objects from one place to another. What would happen if the motorcycle or car we were driving actually caused us trouble instead? Okay, let's get started. Leopard Fuel Injector Cleaning and Testing is a tool used to clean and test the performance and functionality of fuel injectors in vehicle engines. It is a useful tool for diagnosing problems in the vehicle's fuel system to keep the engine running smoothly. Leopard Fuel Injector Cleaning and Testing comes with features such as ultrasonic testing, idle speed testing, medium speed testing, high speed testing, accelerated testing, leakage testing, fuel delivery volume testing at idle speed, fuel delivery volume testing at medium speed, fuel delivery volume testing at high speed, full automatic testing, and an information system. In this tutorial, Toolman will discuss how to clean injectors using Leopard Fuel Injector Cleaning and Testing. Step 1. Prepare the tools and materials. To use Leopard Fuel Injector Cleaning and Testing, you will need the following tools and materials. Leopard Fuel Injector Cleaning and Testing tool, motorcycle or car injectors, cleaning fluid, fuel fluid, safety goggles and gloves, clean rag. Step 2. Prepare the injector testing tool. Before using the Leopard Fuel Injector Cleaning and Testing tool, make sure you have read the user manual. Connect the tool to a power source. Pour the cleaning fluid into the cleaning tank provided in the Leopard Fuel Injector Cleaning and Testing tool and fill the fuel tank for injector testing with gasoline. Step 3. Installation of the injector. Install the injector using the appropriate adapter holder, as the Leopard Fuel Injector Cleaning and Testing package comes with several types and sizes of adapter holders. Then, install the injector on one of the two ports available on the testing tool. Be sure to follow the instructions in the user manual for proper installation. Step 4. Testing and cleaning. For initial testing, use the idle speed testing mode and determine the desired time. After visually determining the results, we can determine the next steps. If there is a problem, remove the injector from the port holder and place it in the cleaning tank. Use mode number 1, which is the ultrasonic cleaning mode on the Leopard fuel injector cleaning and testing tool. Determine the desired time and perform the cleaning. Repeat the cleaning steps 1 to 2 times. After the cleaning stage is completed, reinstall the injector on the testing port, then select mode number 11 or full automatic testing mode for the final testing on the Leopard fuel injector cleaning and testing tool. If the injector is deemed to be in good condition, remove it and reinstall it on the vehicle. Step 5. Turn on the vehicle. Turn on the vehicle and feel the difference in injector performance before and after cleaning. If the problem persists, you may need to clean or replace the injector. In conclusion, Leopard fuel injector cleaning and testing is a useful tool for cleaning and testing the performance and functionality of injectors in vehicle engines. By following the simple steps above, you can easily diagnose problems in your vehicle's fuel system and keep your engine running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Like and share for more videos from Toolman.